Hey everyone, so this is my first time using my new mic, and also I've decided to upgrade my webcam. So the webcam that you're seeing recording right now is a Logitech C something, I'll list it below, but I've upgraded to the Dell UltraSharp webcam. So yeah, I'm gonna see what the differences are. This video probably won't be uploaded for a while because I want to actually test out the camera and actually see the differences. But I'm actually curious to see how my microphone is also performing. So without wasting any more time, let's get into unboxing this. One thing I am going to miss about the Logitech webcam is the fact that the Logitech webcam actually has a function on there that actually allows me to tilt the cam like I've just done there, where the Dell one won't actually have that. Without me having to move it on the tripod. So that's one thing I will miss, I know that for a fact. But this is meant to be a really amazing webcam, so I'm really excited about this. So let's just get that out real quick. Well, first of all, the box is quite heavy for a webcam, which is a good sign, I guess. Shows that it's premium. So let's just get out of this. So that is the Dell UltraSharp webcam. It comes in this rather nice box. It's got a seal there, so I'll just show you that. So it's got the autofocus on my Logi isn't that great, but so I literally just open that right there. That's got a magnetic touch to it, that's nice. I like boxes like this, it makes me want to keep them. Right, so let's just open that up. Voila. Let's do that in slow-mo. You just open it up and then... Whoa. This doesn't look like a webcam. This looks like a bloody sex toy. That's quite nice. Say weight balance is definitely heavy towards the front. So definitely heavy here, so you know you got all the sensors here. So I'll just put this aside. I like the design of this webcam. It's actually really nice, and I like the fact that it's got a nice Dell logo at the front. Oh, and at the back. It's got the Dell logo everywhere. They're branding everywhere. Alright, so let's just put that aside. And then I've got a rather long USB Type-C cable, which is nice. And then I've got my two holders and then a user manual book, I'm assuming. Yep, it's a quick start guide with some extra bits of information. So as always, I'm not going to read any of that until I mess something up and then like, where is it? So let's put everything back in because we won't need any of the other stuff. Again, love the box. So I'll keep that aside for now. So here you have the tripod stand. This is all magnetic, by the way. I have done quite a bit of research into this before buying it. So this part here is magnetic, and then you got the tripod pin right there, so you can literally just slide that on. And these are actually quite heavy, like they're made very well. And then you've got this part as well, which is down there. This is if you want to just hook it to your laptop screen or your monitor. Now, these are built extremely well. Oh, there's a bit of flex there. I'm not sure if it's meant to do that. Oh yeah, it is, because you can actually tilt it up and down. Oh, I take it back, guys. It does have tilt function, so you can actually tilt it. Okay, that's good to know. And very minimal left and right movement, but up and down, awesome. Please tell me it's the same one here. Unfortunately it's not. So on the actual mount itself, you can't tilt it up and down. It's literally stuck in that one position, which kind of sucks. Dell, as an upgrade, please make that the attachment one to go up and down as well. Now the actual camera itself, let's get to You know what? I might actually just upload this as an unboxing, just so you guys have another video to watch. But I will do a full in-depth review of it at a later date. Depends if you want it. Comment if you do want me to do a full in-depth review. If not, then I won't bother. But so far I've seen that it's been a good camera and webcam for a lot of people, so I feel like I will be happy with it. So the actual charging port, let's see if I can get it there, is actually right here. Yeah, it's inside that hole there. So I'd say don't lose this charging cable or this power cable, because it's going to be a tricky one to replace because of how the charging port is actually located on this machine. This webcam goes into there and it's a nice snug fit. And this magnet here is directional, so it can only go in one way, my research has shown. Don't plug this in before you've plugged your mount in. So yeah, if you try to put it in the wrong way, it won't have it. Oh, no, it won't have it. So it will only go in the one way. Yeah. And then you go into plugging your cable in. But I'm going to be using it on my tripod, so I'm going to need this one. This is also directional, and it actually tells you which way as well. So at the front of the actual thing itself, there's a white dot which tells you this is the front way, and that's the front of the camera. So you simply just boom, done. Another cool thing is that this is the lens cap. If you take the lens cap off, this is the camera itself. I haven't even looked at it myself actually. Looks very, very sexy. So this is the front of the camera, but at the back of the camera it's actually got a magnetic attachment, so you can actually just leave the webcam cover right there so you don't lose it. So you simply just boom, right there, stays there, and when you're done with the camera or you want your privacy, just stick it back on and you're ready to go. So that is the unboxing of this. I'm going to start using this webcam, and just to give you a reference point, I might even pull it up now and see what sort of change we get in the footage, and I'll let you guys decide what you guys see. You might pick up all my messy hair. I'm not sure if I want to do this now. Let's do it. Right, so first of all, I wasn't even going to actually upload this unboxing video until much later, until I done like the whole testing of the webcam, but I am so impressed with the quality. It's really good. This is in 4K. I've got the resolution on 4K. I've got HDR and everything turned off. I've not messed around with anything else. I've literally just stuck the camera into the thing, and the autofocus is amazing as well. Like, my hand is in focus whilst my face is still in focus. Like, that's crazy. And it's you can barely even tell when it switches focus. So if I put my hand up here, the autofocus on that is rapid and it's so clear. I'm actually really happy with this. It is an expensive buy, won't lie, but the quality, what you get if you set it up properly. Oh, by the way, if once you plug it in, you need to use the Dell Peripherals application, which is pre-installed on Dell machines. But if you have a machine that's something other than Dell, you can just go to their website, go to Google, type in Dell Peripheral Manager, and you can download the application. But I am impressed. What do you guys think? I'll try to get a before and after up here, but wow, I like it. I'm happy. Like, yeah, you can pick up on my messy beard and everything, but it's been a long 4 weeks, guys. It's been a long 4 weeks. Those of you who aren't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll just be helping my channel grow. Don't press the bell icon, because everything I post you might not like, but you'll see me in your feed, and I would really like your support. So if you could press that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. So till the next one, guys, yeah, peace out.